Allow me to share a little of my story and how I came to meditation, or should I say, how meditation came to me. Back when I was around 15 years old and at high school, we had a substitute teacher for one of the classes. This teacher was actually the deputy principal, Mr. Collins, as it was arranged on such a short notice. Because he had no idea where we were at in the class, and it wasn't a subject that he normally taught, he decided to teach us about meditation. This was my first introduction to meditation, and from that day on, I have kept it as an important part of my life. The meditation he taught was a very simple visualization, which I now call the Black Cat meditation. This meditation is so simple that most people can easily do this on their own without needing a recorded guide. However, on the next track, you'll find the recorded meditation for this that you can follow along to. This basic meditation can be as short as a few minutes or as long as you want it to be. It is great for those times when you don't have long and you want to calm your mind. I've used this while traveling on trains, when I'm waiting for things in a waiting room, even if I'm running early and I find a nice spot to park the car for 10 minutes. You can literally do this anywhere that it's safe.